Welcome to Newton's Petra Extramural Academy channel. This channel is created to assist the elementary and the secondary school students in learning various concepts in mathematics, physics, and other science-related subjects. So in today's class, we are going to be solving and explaining in details problem on least common multiple using several methods. So we will analyze this method to your best understanding. And if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, kindly subscribe, like, comment, and share. Also, don't forget to press the notification button to receive every new video we'll be dropping on this channel. So let's get started. So in today's class, we are going to adopt the following instructional resources: multiplication table, chart, counter, pebbles, and abacus. We are going to adopt the following vocabularies: common, least, lowest, multiple, division, and addition. The instructional techniques include explanatory, discussion, and demonstration method. So, our students are familiar with multiple and common multiple. And at the end of this lesson, students should be able to recite a multiplication table from 1 to 12, find the LCM of number using the three methods. What is least common multiple? Least common multiple is also known as lowest common multiple, and is the smallest number that is divisible by both number and also multiple of both number given to us. We have several methods used in finding the LCM of two or more numbers. The first method is listing multiple method. We list out the multiple of a particular number, then we find the lowest common multiple. The second method is prime factorization method. For prime factorization method, we list out the factors of the number given to us, then we find the LCM of the two numbers using the factors given to us. The third one is repeated division method. We look out for the number that are divisible by the two or three numbers given to us without any remainder, and after finding the number to the lowest number to the last number, which is 1, we list out the factors, then we find the LCM. Now let's take these examples. The first question says, find the LCM of the number 4 and 8. The second question, 12, 15, and 20. And the third question, 12, 24, and 32. Now let's find the LCM of 4 and 8 using these three different methods. The first method, which is listing multiple method. Now let's start with listing multiple method. Now we have our 4 and we have our 8. Now, for listing multiple method is like successive addition of what of number, repeated addition of what of that particular number that we have here. In other words, we can say multiplication of what of number by 1, by 2, by 3, by 4, etc. Now we start with 4. Now 4 times 1 is going to give me 4. 4 times 2 will be what? Will be 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 4 is going to give me 12. 12 plus 4 is going to give me 16. 16 plus 4 is going to give me 20. 20 plus 4 is going to give me 24. 24 plus 4 is going to give me 28. 28 plus 4 is going to give me 32. Now let's stop there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's what we have here. In other words, 4 times 8 is going to give us 32. Now, the next number, using listing multiple method, 8 times 1 will give me 8. Now, 8 times 2 is what? Is 16. In other words, 8 plus 8 will give me 16. Now, 16 plus 8 will give us 24. 24 plus 8 will give us 32. 32 plus 8 will give us what? 40. 40 plus 8 is going to give us what? 48. 48 plus 8 is going to give us 56. Now, let's stop there. Now, let's look for the least common multiple. The least common multiple. If you take a look at this number, 32 is common, right? 24 is common. 16 is common. 8 is also common. Now, the smallest multiple, the lowest multiple here is 8. The lowest multiple here is what? Is 8. Therefore, our LCM is what? Is 8. That's for listing multiple method. Now, using repeated division method. We take our table. We have 4 and 8. 4 and 8. Now, what number can divide these two numbers without any remainder? We have 2. 2 in 4 is 2. 2 in 8 is what? Is 4. 2 in 2 is 1. 2 in 2 is 1. 2 in 4 is 2. 2 in 2 again. Here is 1. 1, 1. So, our LCM here, we list out the factors here. We have here the number that divide the two numbers without any remainder. We list them out. We have 1 times 2 times 2 times 2. In other words, you can say 2 raised to power 3. Now 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is what? Is 8. So our LCM is what? Is 8. As we have it here. Now let's use prime factorization method. We have 4 and we have our what? Our 8. Now we take our what? Our family tree. 2 times 2 will give me 4. 2 times 1 will give us what? 2. Now let's take 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4. And 2 times 1 will give me what? 2. Now the factors here. We list them out. We have our 2. Let's list them out. We have 2 times 2. The next one is 2 times 2 times 2. We write out the 2. 2 is also common. We write out the 2. And we have 2 left. We write out the 2. So 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2 is what? Is 8. This is prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. So the second question says, find the LCM of 12, 15, and 20. 12, 15, and 20. Let's use the first method, listing multiple method. So we have our 12, 15, and 20. We are going to list the multiple up to 5. Now let's start with 12. 12 times 1 is going to give you what? 12. 12 times 2 will give us what? 24. That is 12 plus 12 will give us 24. That's successive addition of the number. Now 12 plus 24 will give us what? 36. 12 plus 36 will give us 48. 12 plus 48 will give us what? 60. It's up to 5. We're going to list multiple up to 5. Now let's take 15. 15 times 1 will give us what? 15. 15 times 2 will give me 30. In other words, 15 plus 15 is what? Is 30. Now 30 plus 15 is going to give us what? 45. 45 plus 15 is going to give us what? 60. 60 plus 15 will give you what? 75. Okay, it's up to 5. Now let's take 20. 20 times 2 will give me 40. Now 40 plus 20 will give me 60. 60 plus 20 will give me what? 80. 80 plus 20 will give me what? 100. This is up to 5. Now let's look for the common multiple, the lowest common multiple here. What is common here? The lowest common multiple. What's the lowest common multiple? Let's take a look at this. 60 is common here. Okay, 60 is the lowest common multiple. 60 is our lowest common multiple. As there is no any other smaller number that is common to the 3 numbers. So 60 is our lowest common multiple. Now let's use the repeated division method. The repeated division method. 12, 15, and 20. Now what number can divide these 3 numbers without any remainder? Let's take 2. 2 in 12 is 6. 2 cannot go in 15. You write out your 15. 2 in 20 is 10. 2 can still go. 2 in 6 is 3. 2 cannot go in 15. 2 can go in 10. That's 5 times. So 3 here. 3 in 3, 1. 3 in 15 is 5. 3 cannot go in 5. You write out your 5. Let's use 5. 5 here, 1. That's, we still have our 1 here. 5 in 5 is 1. 5 in 5 is 1. So we have 1, 1, 1. So let's find our lowest common multiple. We have 1 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. So in other words, you can say 1 times 2 raised to power 2 times 3 times 5. So let's find the multiplication. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 5 is 60. 12 times 5 is what? Is 60. That is our lowest common multiple. Now, let's find the lowest common multiple of the three numbers using prime factorization method. We have our 12. We're going to make it tiny a bit. So I can contain 12, 15, and what? And 20. So let's go. 2 times 6 give me 12. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 1 is 3. 15 now. 3 times 5 is 15. 5 times 1 will give us 5. The next one, 2 times 10 is 20. 2 times 5 is 10. And 5 times 1 will give us 5. Now let's list out the prime factors here. So we have for 12, for 15, for 20. We have 2 times 2 times 3. The next one is 3 times 5. The next one here is 2 times 2 times 5. Now let's find the factor. 2 times, the number is common, prime factor, 2 times 3 times 5. So 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 3, that's 12. 12 times 5 is 12 times 5 will give us what? 60. So that is our what? LCM. Our LCM is what? Is 60. That is how to find the LCM of what? Of 3-digit number using prime factorization method. Now let's find the LCM of 12, 24, and 32. Let's use our first method, listing multiple method. We have 12, 24, and 32. Now let's go. 12 times 1 is 12. 12 times 1 is 12. 12 times 2, that's 24. Now we use successive addition method. 24 plus 12 will give you 36. 36 plus 12 will give you 48. 48 plus 12 is going to give you 60. 60 plus 12 is going to give you 72. 72 plus 12 is going to give you 84. 84 plus 12 is going to give you 96. 96 plus 12 is going to give you 108. It's going to give you 108. Let's list it here. 96, 108. Now the next number, 24. 24 times 1 is 24. 24 times 2 is going to give us what? 48. Now 48 plus 24 will give us 72. 72 plus 24 will give us 96. 96 plus 24 will give us 120. Will give us 120. 120 plus 24 will give us 144. 144 plus 24 will give us 168. 168. Give us 168. So now let's take the next number, which is 32. 32 times 1 will give me 32. 32 times 2 will give us 64. Now 64 plus 32 will give us 96. 96 plus 32 will give us 128. 128 plus 32 will give us 160. 160 plus 32 will give us 192. Give us 192 now. Looking at this number, what is the lowest common multiple here? The least common multiple here is what? Let's take a look at the number given to us here. 24 is common here, but it's not common here. What What number is common again? 48 is common here. It's common here, but it's not common here. 96 is common here. It's common here, and it's also common here. So therefore, my LCM is what? Is 96. Now let's use repeated division method. Repeated division method. Repeated division method. We have the first number is 12, 24, and 32. Now, what number can divide these three numbers without any remainder? Let's use 2. 2 here is 6. 2 here is 12. 2 in 32 is what? Is 16. Now, let's use 2 again. 2 here is 3. 2 here is 6. 2 here is 8. 8 times 2, that's 16. Let's use 3. 3 here, 1. 3 here, 2. 3 cannot be 8. 2, 1, 1, 4. 2, 1, 1, 2. 2, 1, 1, 1. So now, my LCM is going to be 1 times 2 times 2. Let's count the number of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can say, express it in standard form, 2 raised to the power 5 times 3. So let's find this. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, that's 16. 16 times 2, that's 32. 32 times 3, that is going to give us 96. So that is our LCM for the second number. Now let's use the third method to find the LCM of the three numbers given to us. So we have 12, 24, and 36. 12, 24, and 36. So let's go. 2 times 6. 2 times 6 is going to give us 12. Let me use the other marker. 2 times 6 will give us 12. 3 times 2. That has to be 2 times 3 will give me 6. 2 times 3 will give us 6. And 3 times 1 will give us 3. Now the next number, 2 times 12 will give us 24. 2 times 6 will give us 12. 2 times 3 will give me 6. And 3 times 1 will give me 3. Now the next number here, we have 2 times 16. Now 2 times 8 will give me 16. 2 times 4 will give me 8. 2 times 2 will give me 4. And 2 times 1 will give me 2. Now let's list out the prime factors of the number. We have 12. We have 24. We have 30. So we go. We have 2 times 2 times 3. 2 times 2 times 3. The next one is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. The next number is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. In fact, this is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So let's find the LCM. 2 is common here. 2, 2, 2, 3. 2 is left here. 2 times 2. So we have 2 in how many places here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 2 raised to the power 5 times 3. And that's going to give us 96. This is how to find the LCM of what? Of the number using 3 different methods. Thank you. So if you have any question to ask on LCM of number, kindly post your question on the comment section or you send it to our email directly.